You are going to love the 2018 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.